Hello, happy New Year's Eve, and we're going to jump back into career in PC Building Simulator 2, which will take us straight into day 2. So we completed a few jobs yesterday, and we accepted the job to paint a PC red today. So we're going to have a look at the customization and modding workbench, which will be good. So here we are. Ooh, start of day 2. We renamed it, and we've got Customize here from Kasante. So let's pick that up and go in for day 2. Change your workbench type. For this job, you'll need to change and refit the workbench ready for case customization. Highlight the workbench and press B to change its type. So this is the customization one. B. Select case modding. Put the PC down. We've got less jobs on today, just this one. Right, so we'll click on that. Case modding. The customer requests the entire case to be painted red. Select the spray can to start painting. So we've got 0% red at the moment. Select the nozzle size to make it easier to spray the whole machine. Let's make it big. Then select the colour. Lots of reds. Let's go for red. Spray glass. The customer wants the glass sprayed too. Oh, really? So toggle this switch on. Hold left click to spray the paint. Cover both sides, the front and the top. Wow, look at that. It's pretty cool. This is quite therapeutic, this actually. Feeling a bit stressed. Definitely. I'd recommend doing a bit of case spraying. Both sides, the front and the top. So let's go for this next side now. The bigger nozzle definitely does make it easier, so I just max that out, definitely. Both sides, the front and the top. Yep, don't spray the ports, don't spray the ports, then they won't work. 100%, nice work. All the sides are red and the job is complete. Now take the PC back to the delivery area and get the customer's email to collect your payment. Right. So we'll exit. Oh no. Exit, right click to pick it up. And let's pack it up. Go to our emails. Double click. Where was it? Accepted. Paint it red. Collect $120 for that. We're over 1,000. Yes, bootstrapping achievement. So $120. Profit $120. Fantastic. Delivery received. Left click on the box in the hallway to unpack your delivery. The contents will be added to your inventory. Ah, this must be Uncle Tim's secret present. Ooh. Tablet. Timbo 2000 supermail.com, a tablet that will assist you in managing your business. I'm sure we had the tablet yesterday. Maybe a little bug. You can read emails, shop, run apps, etc. while on the move. Fantastic. Present from Uncle Tim. Uncle Tim has sent you a brand new tablet to help run the business. Let's take a look and see what it does. Right. C to launch the tablet. Your new tablet is now ready to use. It's packed with apps and has a snazzy camera and can be used on the move to manage your time more effectively. If you're not sure where to start, check out the pre-installed Decorator app. Right, let's have a look at Decorator. Welcome to the Decorator app. Big Bob has agreed to redecorate your workshop for free. Yes, Big Bob. You can change the floors, ceilings, walls, posters, desks, and any other features. Let's see what's available. Right, Decorator. Ah, walls detected. Space. We tried this in free build. It looks cool. Grand Designs achievement. I do love the space one. Medieval. What does that look like? Oh, that makes it look worse than it currently is, I think. No, we're going to stick with space, I think. Seems pretty good, that. The only bit I don't like, I want to rip these silver panels off there, but... Anywho. Right, let's have a look at emails. What have we got now? Broken cooler. I am so super stoked to see a new repair shop in time. DPS computing for the win. Totally sucks what happened to the last one. I hope they catch the guy who did it. Yeah, feel like we may know him. Anyway, the air cooler in my computer is busted and the whole thing is really uncool. Like, literally uncool. I can feel the heat coming off it. Can you replace it for me? Hope you can help. Brody. So, 150 cent labour, $50 part budget. So, the broken air cooler. It's presumably somewhere in there. Is it the Arctic? B12. Anyway, let's accept it. Buying components. Some jobs require new additional or replacement components. Let's order a new air cooler for this customer's PC. When buying components, be careful to only buy components which are as good or better than those the customer wants or already has. So we're going to close emails. We're going to go on to the shop. We're going to open CPU cooling. Right. Left click to add the item to your basket. Ah, so the AMD Wraith Prism, $24. And assign to the job. Task Tracker. The Task Tracker allows you to allocate parts to specific jobs. This window can be brought up by interacting with the link icon and checkout delivery inventory. This will obviously help you only buy things that are actually compatible and good. I'm hoping. Go to the basket. Okay, next day delivery free. Not paying $100 for same day. Which proves that you need to be organised, otherwise you're paying $100 for same day delivery. New parts, well done, you've had a new part. You can use the calendar to check out when any new parts will arrive and find them in the box in the hallway once they get here. Fantastic. Yes. I wonder if we go on the shop, if we ordered something totally wrong. Oh no, it would let us do that. So, no, let's not do that. Okay, maybe that feature's not quite as helpful as we thought it might be. PC Building Simulator 2, you've leveled up. Congratulations, you've reached level 2. You've unlocked 6th, 7th gen Intels, Ryzen's, blah blah blah, and all those new components. Fab. Right, that's it. So we've got the PC arriving tomorrow and the delivery. So it's all looking pretty cool round here with our new space theme. Loving it. But this shop's still a wreck. Hopefully we can open it properly again one day. Maybe clean up a bit. Royal Duarte Bank. Click to leave the workshop. Oh no, I don't want to. I thought it might be able to step outside, but it'll just end the day. Right, cool. Well, that's all we've got to do today. So day 2 is pretty easy. Fantastic. Right, we've done everything. We've ordered the components. That's it for the day. We are done. Loving the new design though, I have to say. Thanks, Big Bob. And that's it for day 2. So day 2, pretty easy. Less busy than day 1 for sure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PC Building Simulator 2 videos. And we shall see you shortly. Bye.